Now look at here, students. Now at the next class, I think all of you are very fine, no? So we'll start the new class with the same factorized term, and I hope you are ready with your books and copies. Okay, when you sit in the community hall, suppose, so please maintain the social distance, okay, in these conditions, and learn properly. Clear? So now look at here, factorize. What we'll do, it is there, the two formula you have to formulate here, we have to apply here. The formula is a cube plus b cube. Remember in this way, first term anything whole cube, second term anything whole cube. If there are two whole cube term with a plus sign, you have to apply this formula. Means first term cube plus second term cube means first plus second term, first inside one, okay, and next bracket will be first term square, look at here, minus first term into second term and plus second term square. You remember in this way, okay, first term and second term. It may be any things. So first term cube minus second term cube is first term minus second term. See the difference. And if it is minus, you will minus, and others all plus, like first term square plus first into second term plus second term cube. It is already know, if I multiply this, I'll get the same thing. Okay. That if you want to show, if you want to know, I can show you that. Okay. Now first look at here, I'll show you this part. How I get it in the next question, I'll show you. Here, I can show you here also. Look at here, these questions. If I write here a plus b whole and a square minus ab plus b square. Look at here. If I multiply the rainbow method, a cube, then minus a square b, then plus ab square, then again multiply plus a square b, then this into this minus ab square, and what is that, plus b cube. So look at here, a square b minus a square b plus cancel, ab square plus ab square minus cancel. What is left? Is left a cube plus b cube. See, is there or not? So that's why this also we can able to write this, because we have to multiply get the same thing. Is it clear? I think you understood. Same thing that also. Now we apply the formula. How we can apply the formula? Look at here. It is x cube, but they don't have whole cube. You have to make whole cube. Which number cube? 3x, you already know. And 125, 5 cube. So 5y whole cube. 5, 5, 25. 25 5s are 125. Clear? Now it is looks like a is a b. So a cube plus b cube. This formula, a plus b. A plus b means what you have to write? 3x plus 5y. Then a square. What is a square? 3x whole square. Then minus 3x into 5y plus 5y whole square. Look at it, b square. So what you are getting here? 3x plus 5y. Then 3 3s are 9x square minus 15 xy, then plus 5 into 5, 25 y square, because 5 square is 5 into 5. So this is the answer. Clear? Now if we go to the a cube minus b cube term, look at how we do it. Tell me which number. Can you guess? Okay, someone maybe guess 4p whole cube. Then 7q whole cube. 7 7s are 49. 49 7s are 343. Okay. Then 4 cube, 4 4 16. 16 4s are 64. Now it is a cube minus b cube. A minus b means 4p minus 7q. The next bracket 4p whole square. And there I have to write another bracket, so I have to give second bracket. Whole square plus 4p into 7q. 4p into 7q. Then plus 7q whole square. This is, now I'll write here, there is 4p minus 7q, another bracket 16p square minus, now plus 4 sevens are 28 p cube and plus 49 q square. This is all the terms. Clear? This type of questions. So please try to remember, according to this formula, you have to apply this way. You can take more example by yourself. You can take here like 8 cube plus 27 y cube. Only 8 p cube. So that way, change the numbers and do it. Okay? We'll go to the next part. Now look at this factorize. Which formula you are going to apply? Do you remember yesterday I taught you the formula? Last class I taught you a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to what? Do you remember? A plus b plus c, then a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is the formula I given you, no? And I given the condition, if this is 0, then this equal to 3ab. That also I given you. Clear? Remember? So now I have to make it whole cube here. Then only you can apply this. First you have to make this tally or not. Look at here. 27 means 3x whole cube. Y, easily you can say y whole cube. Plus z whole cube. Minus 3. See, formula say 3. A means first one, 3x. 3 into 3x. B is y and C is z. Look at here. 3 3s are 9xyz. Yeah, is tally or not? Is tally, no? So then we apply the formula. What is A plus B plus C? A means 3x plus y plus z. Clear? A plus B plus C. Now A square. What is A square? 3x whole square. What is B square? Y square. Here this is A, this is B and this is C. Focus only this. Then Z square. 3 square means. Then minus A into B means minus 3x into y. Then minus B into C, y into z. Then minus z into what? First term is 3x. Do you follow me? So this is the way you can write. Then you can write in the last line like this, 3x plus y plus z. 3 3s are 9x square plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy, then minus yz and minus 3xz or zx, anything you can write. Xz also alphabetical order. Z is also correct. So this is the way you can solve this formula. We can apply this formula here. Understand? So you can take any example and do it. Okay. We make it here 2x cube, 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 343z cube, and according to that way you have to arrange. Clear? So you change the number and practice yourself. Is it clear? Now we go to the another part of the factorize. Clear? Now I told you yesterday last class the formula, if this is 0, that means this part is 0 and this part will come this side. So that means a cube, b cube, c cube equal to 3abc. No? So look at here, they are given if this is 0, then prove that this is 3abc. You have to prove that formula. I told you it can possible. Now question is prove that how it is possible. Are you clear? In place of ABC you think XYZ, nothing else. So what you will do here, you take the LHS and reach to the RHS. Okay? So look at here. Left hand side is x cube plus, okay. Instead of that, directly we can go there also. You can put the value here, apply the formula and do this. I will show you another way instead of LHS. Okay? That way also you can solve. Okay? Since x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x plus y will be how much? Minus z. The z go that side, minus z. Now this value you can apply here. Okay, Understand or not? Is it clear, all of you? So you can apply here to solve the answer. So now write LHS equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Remember the formula a cube plus b cube, first two term. What is that? A plus b means x plus y. No, another bracket. What is there? Another formula I given you, no? A whole cube minus 3ab means ab means what here? Xy into x plus y. This formula also I given you, no, for the find the value. A cube plus b cube also equal to, I'll write it here again. A cube plus b cube, if you want to find the value, it will be a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. You may be thinking how you are getting this. You just solve this part, multiply this. So all the term will cancel, will get this one. Okay, understand? So now x plus y is how much? Minus z whole cube minus 3xy into minus z. Are you clear? So minus 3 times odd power will come minus again. So minus z cube. Yes or no? Clear nicely? Then it is how much it is? X plus y equal to minus z, and this also minus z. So how much you are getting here? Try to understand. X plus y equal to minus z. So minus z cube. And here it is how much? Minus minus plus 3xyz. Clear? So this term has to be cancelled. So this term you cancel means you will get these answers. Clear? Clear it, all of you? So x plus y plus z, if it is 0, if you take this side, one term is missing here. This term I formula. What are you supposed to write here? This one you didn't write. So write here plus z cube. This is all there. Plus z cube. Then this is plus z cube. So this term also there. So now you can cancel this. So what is remaining? 3xyz. Look at here. The right side is what? 3. So equal to right hand side. Is it clear? So the very important property. So I'll go to the, according to if it is 0, how can I apply the another with the numbers? I'll give you that one. Okay. So is it clear, all of you? Okay. Now look at here. The question is without actual cube. You have to, should not make it cube like 12 cube, 12 into 12 into 12. You should not do that. Find the value. That means you have to apply a formula. What I do it here, look at here. Let minus 12 is equal to A and 7 equal to B, comma 5 equal to C. I consider this is A, this is B, this is C. Now I add them like A plus B plus C equal to what? Minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. So it will be minus 12 plus 12. You don't know, this is plus 12 minus 12. Cancel 0. So what I told you, if this one is 0, that means this part is 0, then what we are getting? If, remember, if A plus B plus C equal to 0, therefore what you can say? A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC, isn't it? So it is 0. That's why what you can write? A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. What is A cube here? Minus 12 cube. What is B cube here? 7 cube. What is C cube here? 5 cube. Then 3 into A. What is A? Minus 12. What is B? 7. What is C? 5. Now the answer will come. All are pluses is minus. So plus minus minus sign. So now it will be how much? 12 3s are 36. I'll write here 36. And 7 5s are 35. Now you have to multiply these 36 and 35. How much? 5 6 are 30. 3 in hand. 5 6 are 15 and 3 18. 3 6 are 18, 1 in hand, 3 are 9 and 1 10. So how much it will come? How much it will come? 6, again 5 6 are 30, 3 in hand, 3 5 3 are 15, 3 18, clear? Then 3 6 are 18, 1 9 and 1 10, so it is 0. Then 16 1 in hand, 2 1. Are you here? Are you understand all of you? So it is minus 1 2 6 0. So this is the rough work. Are you clear? This side, always do the rough work in the right side. So this is the way you can try the formula in this in number systems. Clear? Now I'll do one more question that is called verifications, or one more question with the factorize. You understood this one? So I'll give you another question like this. Next class I'll do the splitting the middle term. Clear? This type of question once I'll do it here again. Look at here, these questions. So we can write let, same process, A equal to 28, B equal to what? What? B equal to minus 15 and C equal to minus 13. So write here A plus B plus C, 28 plus into plus, and B is also minus, minus 15. Here also try to rectify it. Then C is plus, plus. If you write plus and C also minus, plus minus, minus 13 directly. So it will become, this is adding, both the same sign, no? So 28 minus 28, it will become 0. So again it is 0 means, what you can say, A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. So A is how much? 28, B is minus 15 cube, C is minus 13 cube, is 28 cube, equal to 3 into 28 into minus 15 into minus 13. So how to do? See, both are minus, minus minus plus into plus plus, no need, no give sign. You multiply these two first. How much? 28 into 3. How much? 3 8s are 24. 2 in hand, 3 to 6 and 2, 84. Now 84 into 15. You know 15 table? If you know 15 table, very easy it is. Otherwise you have to do one by one. Say 15 4s are 60. 6 in hand. 15 8s are 120. 120 and plus 6, 126. Is it clear? One line you can finish it up. Then 13. You multiply with 13. Same. If you know 13 table, very easy. You have to memorize. 13 zeros are 0. 13 6 are how much? 78. 8 I am writing. 7 in hand. 13 2s are 26. 26 and 7 how much? 33. 3 in hand. Then 13 ones are 13 and 3. How much? 16. Then 16380. Again I repeat, if I know multiplication table, 28 into 3. 3 8s are 24. 2 in hand. 3 2s are 6 and 2 8. Again multiply 15. 15 4s are 60. 6 in hand. 15 8s are 120. Okay. Plus 6 126. And 13. 13 zeros are 0. 13 6 are 78. Okay. 7 in hand. 13 2s are 26. 26 and 7 33. 3 in hand. 13 ones are 13 plus 3 16. So this is the way you can get the answer. Okay. So please practice those. Next class I'll teach you splitting the middle term. It's a very important part. I'll teach you very elaborately. Clear? So in between, that's all for you. Please practice, otherwise you will forget again. Your lockdown situations may not be how many days it will be continued, will not know. The situation is day by day is deteriorate. That's why please stay safe at home and practice whatever the benefit you are getting, okay, by the state. So thank you. Stay safe.